Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight ETFs with dramatic moves and key lessons. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering ProShares UltraShort Silver ETF, ticker ZSL, a leveraged fund seeking 2 times the inverse daily performance of silver bullion prices, designed for short-term bearish trades or hedges. 2025 has been brutal for ZSL amid silver's explosive rally to record highs near $79 per ounce. The ETF has plunged over 90% year to date, with shares recently trading around $4.65, down sharply, including an 18% drop on December 26 alone on massive volume. This highlights the compounding risks of leveraged inverse products in strong trending markets. Daily resets can lead to severe decay over time, making them unsuitable for long-term holding. With silver's bull run driven by industrial and investment demand, ZSL serves as a stark reminder of leverage pitfalls. Bearish on silver or avoid entirely? Share your thoughts below, like for more ETF risk insights, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Now guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. And we'll see you in the next one.